day 7 of Vlogmas, and we're about to go see Christmas lights. So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's day 7 of Vlogmas. As y'all can see, I did a little beat for y'all because I've been looking real crazy on here. I'm about to lay my edges down and we're gonna go see Christmas lights. I'm so excited right now. I think I'm supposed to look at this way. I'm so excited right now because we're gonna go see Christmas lights. And y'all know I love with Christmas lights, so let me know what y'all think about makeup because a girl finally did something for y'all. I was gonna record it, but we're gonna do that another day, another special. All right, I'm about to get ready and go get ready. We are going. We arrived to go do Christmas lights. Do you see what I see? Okay, so I'm in the liquor store. If you're not of age, you should not be even drinking, okay? But pretty much we were gonna do like hot chocolate. I was gonna make homemade hot chocolate, and we didn't get up until 6 o'clock this morning. Well, this afternoon. So there was no point of me making hot chocolate. So right now I'm trying to find liquor that we both drink. I'm really not a drinker like that. So we thought there was like more lights out here, but this is nice. This is okay. Oh, that house too. Look at that house though. That house ain't bad. Oh, they got a.
Look, they got this little farming or bridge.
My cup's bleeding.
What?
It's bleeding.
What?
My cup.
Your cup bleeding?
Wet.
No, it's not.
A little bit. Okay, so we are walking up to this house. Like, I literally had to scream because this is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, they got a moat in front of the house. Like, who are they? So we over here and they got a sign that say, please don't walk on the driveway, and everybody is on the driveway. You ain't supposed to. I'm gonna be on the driveway. And these kids are acting up. They running around on these people's property. I would call the cops on them. Ooh. Bye, house. I'm gonna give y'all a little Christmas musical. I used to be in a choir. I used to sing. So, you don't know. I'm gonna give you a little something. I'll turn this up. Roasted on an open fire. Woo! Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Okay, so we just came from seeing the lights. They're really, really pretty. I really like seeing Christmas lights, honestly. So every year, my grandmother and my godmother, they would take me and my sister to go see Christmas lights. And honestly, I just love Christmas lights. I just love the way they look. I love the way people decorate their house. I love the effort people put into decorating their house. Well, me and my sisters, we would help my grandfather put the lights up on the house, and it's just really nice to see like the lights just shine. I don't know, I just really like seeing Christmas lights. But the Christmas lights we just came from seeing, these kids, they were just acting up. And I would just shut the lights off. So I found this house on a blog. Oh, what happened? Oh. Okay, time to go. Cooking up a quick little meal, making shrimp Alfredo, homemade. Except for this was already came like this. I just wanted to try it. Hopefully it's not nasty. But yeah, this is the next part of this vlog. This is it for tonight. It don't look too bad. I did not record me making the sauce, so maybe next time we'll see how many likes we get on this video, and maybe I'll put the recipe.